Here we go. Here we go. 4 brand new Traveler's Notebook inserts. Excuse me, not inserts. These are Traveler's Notebooks. These are the covers. All right. So these, I'm so excited about what we've done with these 4. So let's talk about them. This one is called the Navy Scallop. Look at that beautiful scallop. Isn't that gorgeous? It is actually a double layer because we went through a couple of prototypes here till we made sure that we were happy with it. And I say we, I mean Amy and myself. But this is a double layer of pleather, right? None of the Traveler's Notebook covers are leather. So pleather, faux leather, vegan leather, PU leather, whatever you want to refer to it. But there is a double layer here. So those scallops are nice and sturdy. Also, we really paid attention to the placement of where your elastic hits, right? Your elastic hits right in between 2 scallops. So you're not going to have a squished scallop, right? Nobody wants a squished scallop. We like our nice, beautiful scallops. I will tell you, when we did the prototype, we did it in a second color. So there will be another color coming down the line. I won't tell you what it is, but we thought, well, while we're paying to have prototypes done, we might as well get another color. Anyhow, what else is really unique about this one is you can kind of see a little bit of a white border. All right, so that white border is actually coming from the inside cream, I guess I should call it, but kind of a nice, fun little accent there. You have that little white border that goes all the way around. When you get your Traveler's Notebook covers, one thing you maybe need to do, and it just really depends, look how beautiful that is open, where you see the blue. Anyhow, sometimes, and it just depends on what they've done, you may want to trim your little elastics on the inside. Trim those little, trim your little excess parts that come out from the knot a little bit. And I haven't done that yet. But all of my Traveler's Notebooks insides are the same. They are all that beautiful cream color. They're very, very neutral. And I did that, the first release of our first 3 Traveler's Notebook covers. Same thing here, because to me, it's really important that the inside is neutral. The inside is neutral. That means you can use whatever you want on the inside. You could put Christmas in here. You could put Halloween in here. If we start doing patterns on the inside, then that really starts to limit what kind of what you can put on the inside. So the plan is to always have the insides be a nice, beautiful cream colored neutral. And then you have your cream, pencil loop there as well. Your 4 vertical pockets, your secretarial pocket, side pocket, side pocket. So there you go. That is the very first one. The first of the 4 brand new Traveler's Notebook covers. These are all on sale too, you guys, for the sale. That's the first one. We're going to stick with the scallop here. All right. So a different version of a scallop. These are actually 2 different pieces of material, pleather, whatever you want to call it, vegan leather. This is not printed that way. What I mean by that is, if I take my little tool here, oh, actually, it won't lift up. Yeah, sorry. We don't want that to lift up, because if it lifted up, then you'd start to get some funky things happening with your, with your scallop there. But that is 2 pieces of material. And then you have that horizontal stripe there, or horizontal stitch, I should say. Normally you don't see a horizontal stitch in any of the covers, but it's there because that is what is helping to hold that top piece on. You also have that beautiful kind of cream border, again, that you see around the top. And then again, going to our neutral inside. So again, neutral inside, super important. It's that beautiful black and cream scallop. All right, and then if you really know my Traveler's Notebooks, you would know this, you would recognize this, but you may not. Normally, in the past, that band, we didn't do solids before, so let me just pull this, let me see if I can pull these really quickly. Here's one, there's one, oh, here's one. All right, so the 3 that have been around for a while, you have the Floral Garden, which just has a nice neutral elastic. You have the Breton black stripe, which also has a nice neutral elastic. And then you have, this guy. This one is so chunky full. You have the Navy Pedal Perfect, which is also the neutral elastic. So this time you have that black elastic, so it just kind of blends right in with your scallop piece on top. With that navy, you have your nice navy elastic. Moving on to the third design. The third design, this one is called Noted. I got the inspiration for this. Amy and I were in Houston, I want to say maybe 2 years ago, working on the very first idea book. And we went to Barnes & Noble and I saw a book bag. And the book bag was just a canvas book bag. And it had words on it. They were done in kind of like a typewriter font. And I thought, oh my gosh, one day I really want to do a traveler's notebook cover that is super neutral like that, but has words on it in a typewriter font. So there you go. The third new traveler's notebook cover has words. Very neutral, right? Cream with your black words. And the words are kind of specific to writing. So you have thoughts, plan, tell your story, compose, dreams, notebook, record, jot it down, memories, journal, observations, archive. So it just kind of all just runs together. But that is number 3. And that beautiful, the words, and that one is called Noted. On the inside again, you have your super neutral cream. All right. I love that you guys are loving it. Let's see. Mimi said she loves this one. I think she's talking about this one. I'm never quite sure when you guys are, when you're commenting about what. The Queen Bee 8, is the email system slow today, or in order to not receive an email? I am so worried to put another order in. Queen Bee, double check everything is automated. So double check your junk or spam folder. A lot of times, I won't say a lot, but for some of you, my emails go instantly there. So check that. If you don't see it, shoot me an email, laylebymail@gmail.com, and I will look for you. All right, here we go. So that is Noted. The fourth one. This one is called Adventure Awaits. Now, you could really use this cover for anything. And what I want to do is I want to open it up so you can see the full design, because the design wraps. This one is called Adventure Awaits. And I will be using this one for travel. But like I said, you could use this for whatever you would like. If you look closely at that pattern, you have all kinds of different maybe travel locations. You have maybe East Coast, you could have upper West Coast, the northwest part of the United States. You have a little beach area here, which could really be any kind of beach. You start to kind of move into city here, and then you have a little bit more maybe city, country, depending. That little Ferris wheel kind of reminds me of London, but it could really be anywhere. You have some apartment buildings or businesses. You have cars that are kind of working their way around, some homes, a little greenhouse as we move over to this other side. And your travel, by the way, could be in a whole bunch of different formats. It could be in a car, it could be in an airplane, it could be in a boat, in a sailboat. As we move over to this side, it could be in a little camper, right? In a fun little camper. You could be going maybe to the country where you have a farm area, maybe a little bit of a smaller city and a little park scene there with the water fountain, a little bit of outdoors, and then more homes here. All right, so that one is called Adventure Awaits. I will be using that for travel. Some of you have already seen this because you signed up for my Document Your Travels class that I will be teaching at Little Craft Fest with that brand new cover. All right. So there we go. And again, neutral inside. At the risk of sounding like a broken record, all of my Traveler's Notebook covers have a very neutral inside, so you can use them with whatever you'd like. All right. Oh, so exciting. Okay, so those are, the other thing I should mention, all of those come with two of my lined Traveler's Notebook inserts. All right, so I don't show them here, but as they're packaged, They include 2 lined traveler's notebook inserts.